How to use AI Auto Enhance on NanoBanana.ai. Want to make your images look better with just one step? Let's learn how to use the AI Auto Enhance feature on the NanoBanana.ai. First things first, open up your browser on your phone and search for NanoBanana.ai. Then head over to the website and don't forget to log into your account. And once you're inside, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now, simply scroll down and go to AI Editor. It's right over here. Under the AI editor, you will be finding two options, image to image and text to image. From this option, you have to choose image to image. Once you tap on it, simply tap on this add image right over here and choose the photo from your gallery in which you want to add or use the AI Auto Enhance feature. Select the photo, then tap on done. While it's uploading, tap on the main prompt section and write your prompt over here. You can describe the edits like change the background, apply a title, blend two images, or access the colors and lightening. Once I have written your prompt, tap on generate now, which is right over here, which will open up after you type your prompt on the main prompt section. So after you tap on the generate now section or the button, the NanoBanana.ai will process your request and transform your image, and you will see the transferred image in a few seconds in this output gallery section. And that's it. That's how you can successfully use the AI Auto Enhance feature on NanoBanana.ai to upgrade your image. I didn't show you the process because NanoBanana.ai have a very limited credit and it's only 2 credit from which you can make only one image. So I didn't show you the process, but that's the overall process. I hope this video helped. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.